Hello viewers, greetings to all of you. In previous lecture, we have discussed classical school of criminology. Today we will discuss Travis Hirschi's social control theory, or we also call it as social bonding theory. Social bonding theory was given by Travis Hirschi. Travis Hirschi wrote a book on causes of juvenile delinquency in 1969. In that theory, Travis Hirschi gave four major components: attachment, commitment, involvement, and beliefs. Travis Hirschi says that those persons who have weak bonds, they will be leading to bad activities or criminal activities. Now we discuss all four components one by one. First, attachment. Travis Hirschi says that the person who has weak attachment or emotionally not attached with their family, friends, or siblings, he might get out of control and engage in bad activities. Whether in other side, if a person who has strong attachment with their teachers, parents, or their friends, he afraid to do bad activities because he is emotionally connected with them. Second is commitment. Commitment means promise of doing any particular thing. In this point, Travis Hirschi says that when the level of commitment is weak, then weak commitment lead to uncontrolled and commit bad acts. And then step by step, he might be engaged in further more serious crimes, such as weak commitments with family, friends, or even with themselves. Travis Hirschi says that when you do commitment with yourself, like I will be bureaucrat or I will be police officer, or you will commit any other strong commitment, then you automatically avoid to bad activities. The third component is involvement. Travis Hirschi says that if you are not involved in any kind of activity and the whole day you are free at home, then weak involvement lead to bad activities or criminal activities. Travis Hirschi says that if you want to avoid bad activities, then you have to engage yourself in any particular activity such as sports, watching movies, or reading books. Then less chances to involve in bad activities. Last and very important component is belief. Belief means having faith on anything. Travis Hirschi says that when you have a strong belief on religion and emotionally you are connected with that, then you avoid to do criminal activities, because whatever religion you are belong to, every religion taught peace. Religion teaches if we do good acts, we get heaven, and bad acts lead to hell. This is all about social bonding theory of Travis Hirschi's.